Hi, Jim Burrows here at OCRV Center here in beautiful Yorba Linda, California. And we have this 2020 Sprinter van that came in. Unfortunately, it's been in a pretty bad accident, but they brought it to the right place for repairs. Not only do we have the correct facility and equipment to get the job done right, but the manpower and technology as well. Unfortunately, this one here has got some pretty extensive suspension damage. Underneath here, we're going to have to replace a lot of the suspension up here in the driver's side front. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle. We got to drop the engine and the drivetrain out to do the repairs correctly because of the unibody damage up here in the front. We'll put it up on a select bench, which is recommended by Mercedes-Benz, doing all the repairs per their standards. And we'd be using all OEM parts naturally. The fender will be replaced, the door being replaced, fender liner doing some repair here unibody wise, as well as replacing the graphics after the paint work. We're able to match the paint perfectly here with our state-of-the-art paint facility as well. We've got a booth that'll accommodate probably two or three of these in it at the same time, to be honest with you, with some of the motor coaches we paint here. But bring your vehicle down and let it give us a shot. We have a lot of experience and a lot of good equipment here to get the job done correctly. Hi, Jim here at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California. And we got today our modified Sprinter van getting ready to go back together. We had the suspension and engine out of the vehicle in order to do a correct frame repair on it. As you'll see up here in the front with the engine out, we noticed that it had a big buckle in the rail. Had we not pulled the engine, we never would have found that buckle. It's necessary to do the correct repairs on this vehicle in order to get it back to factory specs on it, one of them being dropping the engine in order to inspect for damages. Being a safari vehicle, it's got the four-wheel drive system in it. We had to pull the rear suspension, exhaust, engine, drivetrain, everything had to come out. We put it on the select bench, which we had videos of that earlier. This stage is the reassembly stage. Get the engine back in it, all the fluids back in it, get everything tested, and then we'll get it to the paint shop, would be the next department this will be going to. There again, remember that we fill all your needs for your Sprinter vans and your conversion vans and safari vans like this, so give us a call. Hi, Jim here at OCRV Center in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we got Aaron picking up his 2020 Sprinter van. He had a pretty bad accident on the front of it, and we've had it for a couple of months. Had to pull the engine, do some serious frame repair, and about $50,000 in repairs. Just wanted to touch with Aaron. Aaron, how does it look?
I honestly couldn't tell there was ever an accident. I rented the vehicle. Be very careful when you rent a vehicle, because they surely won't take the same care you do, but I just got here. I couldn't tell this thing was in an accident at all. Looks like the day I got it. I'm very happy. Jim was incredible customer service. Really appreciate it.
Glad you're happy, Aaron.
Easy to talk with, and
beautiful.
I'm looking forward to getting on the road.
Wonderful. We'll get you on the road here. We're very glad you're happy, and don't forget to call us at OCRV for all your Sprinter needs.